thinking clarity, and especially a more deeper relationship with God, basically. I decided to record and vlog this whole period because I feel like it might gonna help someone out there who is seeking a deep connection with God and Jesus. So why not? I just had my last meal, which was mac and cheese, ground beef, and tomatoes. Not fancy, but was good enough. So throughout these 3 days, I'm gonna be only drinking water. I'm gonna be praying and reading the Bible, and basically seeking God every time that I can. I'm gonna avoid being social media. I'm gonna still post it because it's part of my job, but I'm gonna be dumb scrolling throughout the whole day, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna try to be my best to be present, basically. I've been fasting for a couple of days. No, I've fasted for a couple of times throughout this year, and I can totally say the fasting has changed the game for me, has changed my relationship with God. And I know deeper down that this is not like a sacrifice, because God does not need our sacrifice. He already sent us Jesus for that. But this is a way for us to have a deep connection with God. I've told my whole life about how fast really works. Like you have to ask something, you have to seek to have something, or you have to do fasting. But I feel like throughout these 3 days, God already knows what I want. God already knows. I've asked several times already. But right now, what I really need from God is a deeper connection with Jesus Christ, a deeper connection with the Holy Spirit, so I can go through all the challenges that I'm going through right now. And also, fasting is not only for the spiritual part, but also for the body. I'm also seeking to heal my body. Fast has proved to be one of the best way to reset your body, to reset your cells, and just be healthier. So that's also one of the things that I want, that I need. Detoxicate my body from all the chemicals, from all the substances and everything. And I feel like, I don't know, every time that I fast, I feel great. I also gonna try to finish the books that I've been reading this last couple of weeks. I have 2 books that I wanna really dig in it and learn more. I'm gonna share with you all later about these books. So I'm gonna vlog this whole 3 days, and I hope you guys stick around and watch this whole process of fasting. I haven't seen a lot of fasting vlogs here, but I hope it helps someone out there. Okay, now I'm gonna pray. I always start my fasting praying, and I always finish my fast praying too. And throughout the days, keeping praying, basically. So I'm gonna pray, and right now it's 7 p.m. So yeah, let's do it. Good morning. I'm already over 12 hours of fasting. Here's my clock. I'm using a app called Zero to track my fasting. It's a really good app. And right now I'm preparing to go to the gym. I'm gonna do a cardio, basically. I'm not sure if I'm do I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a stairs machine or just a walk in a treadmill. I'm still thinking about, but I am taking some coffee to give me some booster of energy and stuff. Benjamin, quiet time. Right? Eat your food, Benjamin. There's a lot of going on around here, as you say. As you can see, there's a lot of things going on around me right now, as you can see. It's just 8 a.m. right now, so yeah, it is what it is. So my plans for today is I'm gonna go to the gym. I want to start decluttering my closet. I've been trying to do that for a couple of months already, so I feel that's the perfect time. I'm resetting everything, so let's do it. I want to take some photos with my husband. If you know, I'm a photographer and that's my main job. So I want to do a Christmas type of photography today. And I also need to go to the grocery. Am I gonna go with my husband? I need to do a angel's tree today that I got from Benjamin's school. So yeah, Mommy. It's a full day of a lot of stuff going on. So let's do it. Okay, so I am into 18 hours into the fasting, and I'm starting to feel a little bit hungry, so I'm gonna just drink a bunch of water and I'm gonna go take pictures with my husband today. I'm so excited for this. It's gonna be a weird post couple Christmas shoot, so you're gonna do that right now in my studio, and I'm gonna show you guys everything. It's gonna be fun. I am about 22 hours and a half through my fasting, which is pretty good. I need to drink more water, and I'm gonna start now on take salt so I can add more electrolytes through my system so I don't feel sick basically. But I got some stuff in Shein and I'm gonna show you all what I got. It a little package. I got some stuff in Black Friday. I got some workout clothes in Black Friday. There was some good deals happening, so I thought, why not? So yeah, I'm gonna show you what I got. Sports bra, super cute. I'm kind of trying to make a matching set, a full color matching set to go to the gym, and I'm trying to make like 5 of them for each of the day of the week. Basically, like a Monday blue, Tuesday yellow, Wednesday pink, and you know. So I kind of have everything ready just to put it on and go. That's what I kind of was thinking to do. So this is a legging. The fabric so buttery. It feels so good. Love the fabric. Okay, so this is another sport bra. It's a pinky. It's a pink color, super cute. I love this color, so cute. And let's see what else. A legging, another legging. Oh, I thought the color was a little bit more like a dark blue. I don't know. I don't remember. I have to go see the stuff that I ordered. Quality is super good. I like that. Oh, this is the legging that matches the top.
1, 2.
So pretty. And what else? Oh, another legging. 3 leggings. That matches this other top. Wait, hold on. I ordered 2 leggings. I would definitely have to go through my card. That's another leg. They literally send me 3 exactly legs. Okay. I guess am I gonna have to return some of them. A buffer for nails, and I got a cue set, which is this one here. Wood. It seems to be very the quality. Wait, it's just the top. I thought it comes with the. Okay, I thought it comes with the bottom. Well, I don't know. It's cute though. That's weird. Okay. Good morning. I'm making my son's breakfast right now. I'm gonna go hike today with a friend. We're going to a hot spring, and I'm already 36 hours into my fasting, a little bit over half away. So yeah, let's do this, let's finish this. So a day and a half, I could say. I'm not feeling hungry. I'm feeling calm. I'm not feeling hungry. I'm not feeling energized. Nothing. I'm just feeling calm. So hopefully I can keep up with this mood through the day. And yeah. Okay, guys. Well, we gotta talk. I forgot about this hike today. And this hike I've been actually planning with my friend for a couple of weeks already. And I thought it would be next week, but it's actually this week. So I'm gonna have to end my fasting because the hike is gonna be an hour and a half to go and 1 hour and a half to come back. And I'm already feeling a little bit dizzy, I'm not gonna lie. So since that I'm almost 40 hours fasting, I don't wanna feel sick or pass out during the hike, especially that we are gonna be in the middle of the mountain. And I already know that there's no sign there, so I don't want to put us in a difficult situation. So I just decided that I'm going to end now my fasting. I'm going to go to Starbucks and get something to eat before going to meet my friend. And yeah, basically my fasting ends here. I'm going to see here. Okay. It's officially 37 hours and 48 minutes of fasting. And that's it. But I'm gonna keep up recording the rest of my day and finish this vlog at the end of the day. But I am pretty proud of myself to accomplish this fasting. This is the longest that I've done. And yeah, I'm still a little bit dizzy. And also I don't want to drive like that around, so it's not very safe. So I'm gonna just go fuel my body a little bit. Okay, so let's go. So about my coffee that I usually get, I decided just to make my coffee at home. I have here a coffee with protein shake. This is good. This is really good. So the fasting, I'm actually, I feel like fasting helps so much, especially if you have like a foggy mind and you're going through something very stressful. Fasting can definitely help. But I feel like I should be prepared more for it, especially for 3 days fasting. But I'm gonna try to do that again next month in January, and hopefully next month I'm gonna be able to do that. I'm gonna set up like 3 days with no plan at all, just to stay at home and do this 3 days fasting. The reason that I want to do the 3-day fasting is because in the Bible it says that 3 days fasting is almost than way to connect to God and to be present. I don't know. I just feel like it's one of the key, you know. But I'm happy with the 37 hours. God knows my heart. God knows the sacrifice and everything. And, you know, we gotta do it what we can. Let's go to Starbucks now. Can I get the bacon sausage egg wrap?
Okay.
And the bacon egg bite.
Okay.
And I'll do the cranberry Bill's bar.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. I'll have to
The
speak up.
cranberry Bill's bar.
Okay.
That's all.
Just food today?
Yeah.
Does everything on the screen look correct?
Yeah.
Okay, see you at the window.
Okay, thank you. Hi guys. So the vlog is ending here. I just want to probably say goodbye and thank you for watching till here. I hope to see you again soon in another episode of. I still need to figure it out a good name for those, but kind of like a mini podcast or so. But thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please check the button below and be part of this family that we are building here. I'm very excited for what is come. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Love you all.